So the trick into removing your pedals is, this is your right side, this is my Allen key right here, you put it here, make sure it's aligned like this so you have some space to pull it back. That's how you remove it. You pull it back towards your rear wheel, you see? And same on the other side, I'd be pulling like this. Grab a towel because it might hurt. Remove your front wheel if out of the way. You put your foot like this, you push down the foot and you pull. It might be hard in the first few tries, but eventually it'll work. Then it's pretty easy, voila. You do the same thing on the other side. The other side you'll be pulling this way too, towards the rear wheel. That should be good. And also you got a lube inside here. All I did was I put on my little pinky and I gave it a little fingering, and then yep, you do the magic. You gotta turn this towards the front wheel. Voila, you got, that's how it looks like. Some grease, I'm gonna rub it off. Yeah, that's good right there. Easy work.